Lesson is about the chromatic scale. Now we're going to learn the chromatic scale by using sharps when we ascend and flats when we descend. So I will draw it visually that way. And we're going to leave out certain notes. I'll tell you about that in a minute. But if we start on C, and you can start on any note, we would go C to C sharp to D sharp to E, then to F, noticing that there is no note between E and F for now. Then we would go to F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, and then to C, noticing there's nothing between C and B. So between C and B and E and F is a natural half step, and we don't add a sharp or flat in there yet. You will later on, but for the purposes of learning the chromatic scale in order, we do sharps when we are ascending. When we are descending, we're going to use flats. And the notes will line up exactly as you see these ones here. We're going to go from C, now we go backwards. C to B, nothing between C and B. Then B flat, then A flat, then G flat, then F and E, noticing that there is nothing between F and E, so it's a natural half step. Then we go E flat, D flat, and we get back to C. So the ascending chromatic scale, C, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, C. The descending chromatic scale, C, B flat, A flat, G flat, F, E flat, D flat, C. And you should try and memorize that. Now, when we look at the piano keyboard, we can see that the sharps and the flats come in patterns of 3. So we got 2 black keys, 3 black keys, 2, 3, 2, 3, all the way up and down the keyboard. These represent the sharps going up and the flats coming down. The notes that are the same but different we call enharmonic equivalents. And sometimes the same pitch on the piano is called by its different name depending on the context. Those we call enharmonic equivalents. This is the chromatic scale. Practice it over and over again until you can say it, memorize both ascending with sharps and descending with flats. Thank you.